Hello friends, welcome everyone to our channel VitalEdge Fitness, where the most powerful and effective secrets from the world of health and fitness are brought to you. This channel is for all those who want to take care of their health and live the positive and fit life. Here we will share with you easy and effective ways to lose weight, easy exercises in everyday life, best healthy diet plans and tips to improve your physical and mental balance. In each video, we'll give you tips that are not only easy but can make a big difference in your life. With VitalEdge Fitness, take your health to the next level. Thank you. So don't miss us and stay connected with our channel. Share your valuable feedback in comments so that we can guide you further. There will be more interesting content for you in future videos, so stay tuned. So guys, if you really want to take your fitness seriously, adopt these tips today, and in the next video I'll tell you. Find out what is the best fat burning exercise like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalEdge Fitness.